Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to fix your MSI monitor stuck in factory mode. So here's a guide to exit your demo or factory menu and reset the OSD. Fix 1. Restart the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Check if factory mode is gone. Fix 2. Exit the factory menu. Press the monitor's OSD joystick or the button. Look for an exit, back, or factory mode option. Select exit or turn factory mode off if the option is available. Restart the monitor. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings or System. Select Factory Reset or Reset All. Confirm the reset and allow the monitor to restart. Fix 4. Check for a stuck OSD joystick. Press the joystick in each direction to make sure it moves freely. Clean around the bottom if dust or debris is preventing it from returning to its normal position. Restart the monitor. Fix 5. Update the monitor's firmware. If your monitor model supports firmware updates, download and install the latest firmware from the official MSI support website. Fix switch test without any video cable. Turn off the monitor. Disconnect the HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C cable. Turn the monitor back on. If the monitor still starts in factory mode with no device connected, the issue is likely with the monitor itself. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.